Hello, my name is Dr. Carl Baird. I am owner of Evolve Performance Healthcare here in Portland, Oregon. If you're on our website, it means you're most likely dealing with some sort of pain that's keeping you from being as active as you would like. And so what we wanted to do with this video is really just introduce you to our clinic, let you know a little bit more about what we do, and see if it is something that we can help with. So here at Evolve, what we do is we help adults aged 40 plus keep active, strong, and doing what they love, even when nothing else has worked. What we found is that there's too many people living with things like back pain, neck pain, knee pain, hip pain, shoulder pain, that keeps them from being as active as they would like. Not only that, but they don't have the confidence in their body to do those things they like. So a lot of times what we find is that, it's not even the physical pain that's limiting people, but again, they just don't have that confidence that if they go out on that hike in the gorge or that walk with their friends, that their body is gonna hold up. It can even make it hard to enjoy time with your family and friends. So even just sitting at a family gathering and you just got that chronic, again, in this case, low back pain, it's really hard to fully immerse yourself and really enjoy your time with your family and friends if you're always just thinking about that pain. So what we do here at the clinic is we help people build the strength and confidence to live active, healthy, and most importantly, happy lives. So if you're somebody whose pain is keeping them from being as active as they'd like, maybe you've tried the regular routine of, you kind of rest it, you throw some heat on, throw some ice on, take some ibuprofen, and that isn't doing the trick. Or maybe you've even tried the therapies that have worked so well in the past, like your massage, your chiropractic, your physical therapy, and acupuncture, and you get kind of those short-term benefits, but it hasn't fully solved the issue. Those are the things that we really love to help with, and I think it would be worth it to come on down and see if we could help. So there are a few ways to get a hold of us. I mean, the very first is by downloading a free report. So if you do take a look around the website, we do have a lot of free information that we're happy to give to you. Again, we want you to be the most informed about what to do about things like back pain, neck pain, knee pain, shoulder pain. So go ahead and download the free report that works best for you. The other option is setting up a free phone call. So this is your opportunity to talk to one of our pain specialists, learn more about what we do, but we can also learn about you and figure out what it is you want to achieve. What is your particular goal, and determine if this is going to be the best clinic to get you there. If you had some more questions about the more logistical side of things, which is the cost and availability, go ahead and click that button down below. The other one is if you wanted to come on down to the clinic and schedule a free 20-minute discovery visit. We're happy to meet with you, and it's similar to the phone call, where again, we talk about you, we talk about your concerns, and really make sure that we're gonna be the best place to fix this for you before you even get started. So with that being said, I really hope that we get the chance to meet you, learn more about you, and at least see if we can help, and if not, find the best place for you. So that's all I got. Again, thank you for watching. My name is Dr. Carl Baird, and we'll talk to you soon.